What if you had a book that could explain the most complex machine by simply clicking on the image of the component that you have a question on? Well, I asked myself this question, and that's how I came up with this book. And it is actually an interface, an ebook that is an interface into a augmented reality and also a virtual reality of the Apollo spacecraft, the command module. And here I'm going to show you a little bit about this book. So here you have the introduction, and what I was trying to do, as it explains here, was I was trying to take all the paper that I found from NASA on the Apollo spacecraft and put it into an ebook and make it work like a in a website and make it that functional. So all you had to do was click on stuff. And that's how I've got this. So you can scroll down here and see exactly in the book how it works. And then also, I gave you the electronic version of the Apollo 11 guide that you can click on the images and go to it if you want it in the book version. But I'm going to show you a little bit more on how this is going to work for you if you buy this book. What you're seeing here is my screen for proofreading the book. So you're actually looking at what the book looks like. And you'll see that I have an overview to the book, which is right here, the introduction, the instruction manual, which tells you on all the functions of what you'll get on the panorama when you link to it, and then the link to the interactive panorama that you can use. That's all in this book. Then we have an index that tells you about all the functions of how the interactive panorama will work. And also the added bonus of the Apollo 11 uh, interactive guide. So if you want to go old school and go right to the document, but what I've done is I've upgraded the document, you can click here. But let's say you've read everything and now you want to go take a look at the panorama and you want to actually use it. So then all you'll do is click right here. This is the interactive panorama that will work on your phone or tablet or here on your computer if you download this ebook, and you can access it through the ebook. You do have to have an internet connection, but some of the interesting things you have is you'll have hover over, where you can hover over the buttons and it'll tell you what each of them is. Environmental control. And then, as you can see, I threw in some extras for those Apollo geeks. And you can move down by using the arrows or your fingers, and you can move all around the spacecraft. So what happens when you click on this panel, let's say you want to learn about the caution and warning system, it takes you to the panel here. As you can see, this panel is all interactive. So if you want to look on what this light, or when this lights up, what it means, you click on it. It tells you what it is, what it means, how it fits into the system, the non-normal operation, the normal operation, the schematics, and the limitation. All of this light right here. And I do that for all the rest of the spacecraft. So that's how you can find any piece of information just by clicking and going to it. And you have to remember now, this is all in the ebook. By going through the ebook, you're going to the information that is on the internet. So this is an experiment that I made, and it works really well, and it is going on sale for Black Friday. So if you come to the site on Black Friday, and the information on that will be in the comment section on this video, you will be able to get this at a deeply discounted price. I want to thank you for supporting me, and I want to thank you for buying the book.